think the Cali. Cali. Oh, we going to. Okay, now. Oh, hello, my Who Dat Babes. Thank you once again for tuning in to my channel. I am bringing you this video because I took a trip to California and I want to talk about their gun laws a little bit. Well, not really their laws, but my experience with going to one of their stores and inquiring on their ammo and their weapons. And when I inquired on the ammo, the lady asked me, was I a resident of California? And I told her no. And she said, well, because of that, I cannot sell you any ammo, let alone the guns, the weapons. So, yes, she said that I would have to do, if I am a resident there, I would have to go through a background check and it would come back in 2 weeks just for ammo, guys. And when I tell you, I was like, that's some crazy stuff. But anyway, I just got a quick video of some of the weapons that they had there, and you can take a look and check out their prices. But yeah, that blew my mind. I was like, oh no, I can't live here because I'm like, this is crazy. I can't buy ammo unless I am a resident there. But yeah, check out these prices and comment below and let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your likes, your comments is appreciated. But yeah, check it out. Check this out.